Okay, all right, we're back. All right, so we're looking at some crypto. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through each one of these that you see listed, and I'm going to tell you what my forecast on them are, maybe the next few weeks or so. What's going to happen in the near term. And I'm just looking at basic price action. I have my indicators that I'm familiar with, that I use. So as you can see listed over here. All right, now with these are harmonic patterns. These always get fulfilled. Eventually, even if, okay, let's say for instance, you get something, this is a bearish pattern. So the price is supposed to come from here and stop right around here. Sometimes they stop short, sort of. I mean, if it's half fulfilled, it'll come back and fill it really, at another time, if not immediate. You see this, a bullish pattern. This was completed over here, and then this was formed. Then the next one formed. This dropped about halfway, formed another bearish pattern, went halfway, went up, another one halfway. So it's just filling it up halfway and continuing to rise higher. That means that it is a strong trend, and this is the 30-minute. Okay, hold on. Okay, that was just a scammer calling my phone. Okay. So comes up here, you see it's not getting fulfilled. So when it comes to harmonics, they have to be fulfilled one way or another. Like this one's halfway. But no, this went up all the way. These have to be finished. They're going to be finished on this opposite side. Look at, you see this area here? See how that green comes down and like beams down, zaps it, and then the next thing you know, it starts to rise. This was going to happen here. Red comes up, and this is from this one, RSI, SNR by DGT. Zaps it. It's like this zap, like beam me up, Scotty, or beam me down. Look at this. Zaps the price. Then it breaks, and then the price just falls. So these are going to be fulfilled. So you don't want to be in SKL skill right now. You don't want to be in there at this moment until it hits about 33 cents. Around 33 cents area, then you want to buy. All right, because it's going to be dropping. All right, next. I didn't do the top one. So many I can do within 15 minutes. Okay, ALGO, ALGO. Some of these cryptos I don't even know exact names, but anyway, I'm familiar with the chart. But anyway, so the $2 and so $2. The larger time frame is busted right through that. This never got touched. It's gonna come back to fulfill it. Yeah, it went straight out. So this has got to come back and fulfill that right there. Harmonics always get satisfied. Study and look up what harmonics are. I don't teach basics of harmonics, but look them up and become familiar. Okay, so the pattern, double top. This stuff like this usually works. It's trending. Maybe see the extension. Those work on sideways markets. Comes in just almost fulfills it. That's on the 1 hour. Let's see the day. Let's see the day out. We can't stay too long on one. That was fulfilled. I wouldn't do anything with this at this point. Alright, OMG. This is on the daily. Would I be buying this? If you're in it. Let's see. Short didn't complete this. Yeah. If you're in it, I'd get out of it. And then I'd come back in when it gets down here, 6.8. I would wait for that to happen. It's sideways market. Yeah, you definitely want to get out of there. Yeah, you definitely want to get out of it if you're not, if you're in this, and you want to come back in later when it hits this area about 6.8 6.8 to V1. Moving on to OMG. All right, so SOL. So what would I do? And we're on the 45. Let's go for the 4 hours. Yeah, okay, this was fulfilled. Pull back. This is on a daily. About the 50, 120. I'd say come back in at around 120, 122. Sell it, get back in around 120. Or even to wait for this here at 100, somewhere in here. Get back in there, buy it. All right, FIL. This is gonna be quite a lot. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Okay, so this comes up. Boom, boom. Yeah, I would buy this, absolutely. From here, you can get out here, or you get in and you can get out up here somewhat. So, I mean, let's keep it. I would say this is more likely here. Okay. Get in there, buy it now, 88. Get out at double, 160. LRC, USD. C fulfilled. Yes. The dailies, look at the 4 hour. Here, drop below. Started. This is here. This could be good. Yeah, I would say definitely buy. It's not going to move. It's going to take a while to move. It's going to kind of trade flat for a while. But if you see a breakout above 152.98 area, then you definitely want to buy it. Get out right here at 75, 73, 70, between 70 and 75 cents. All right. CLV USD. What would I do? What would I do? Oh boy. What's this? This is the 4 hour? Oh, shnikes. Yeah, you could move on that baby. I mean, I would get in here at 132 and get out at $2. Or it might only go to 170. So just watch. Maybe take half your profits at 170, leave the rest for this. See what happens. So it's going to fulfill. This is a bullish crab pattern here. So it's supposed to head up to the top of this. Sometimes they stop short. Like about here, right at that corner. So, or sometimes just continue. I mean, you don't know. So I would be buying that CLV. Next, SNX. Look at that. See, fulfilled that one and went further. I just said that. See? Just said that. Let's see if there are any other patterns hidden in any other time frame. Sometimes they're hidden. See, this is about to beam down, but that's at the 1 hour. Let's see what the daily says. The dailies, I mean, if you're holding it more than a day, you absolutely, I would get in on here. I'd wait for it to come down to about right here. We'll go right from this. If it got here, I mean, this is kind of a weak trend. I mean, this is a weak trend. $618. I mean, at right here, about right there, the 382, 38%, 382. Right on that green line, just like that. Buy it right there. When it hits that line, this line goes up as it goes on. So, I mean, you're looking between 13.8 and 12.14. And then buy that, get that back on up to this level. Just back up to where it was, $25, $26 level. Okay. All right. Jeez. That thing was just the headphones in my ear. I almost didn't hear it, but way behind me. Okay. So what's next? OGN. Oh man, right at the end of oh no. Do not get out of this immediately. Get out immediately and stay out until further notice. I would say, right here. Get in, buy this. If you're not in it, buy this here. I didn't even say Ichimoku. Whatever. Buy this here, okay? When it gets down here, it's going to be oversold. When it gets right in this area, this is the top. Boom, went up, boom, boom. So it's going to come back down. And then should take off after that. ADA. Oh, this ADA GBP. This is compared to the British pound, not the US dollar. So if any of you are in this, okay, or interested, here we are, ADA. 4 hour is bearish right now. Man, even on the 3 hour. Whoa, what? But on the 1. Oh, no, not really. It's flat on the 1. So this interferes with that, and this is kind of, man, I'm just used to seeing them. Yeah, I wouldn't be in this at all. I would get out. I just would get out, period. Farm right now is definitely bullish. Yeah. A definite buy right now. Get out at 270. Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, definitely want to get into that. Man. All right, so ICP. What do I think? Let's see. Still has more further down to go. I mean, I'd wait for these levels, 54, and just buy it there and sell it maybe 6.2 a couple times. It's channeling. It's going what's called channeling right now. So it is going to go down. This is weak, or the neutral. Okay, so that means that the harmonic patterns are going to work out better than the pattern, the regular patterns, the double tops and stuff like that. All right, so ZRX, it's a 1 hour chart. Okay, this is coming down. I would say buy this again at 56 at 6 that's support right there. Yeah, 60 cents. Okay. All right, and that's it. Oh no, I'll just give you guys part 2. I'm gonna go over the rest of these, and I'll start with this. Is what I wanted to do, that one. So I'll start there and then continue on in part 2 of crypto update with Aaron Truth or whatever name you prefer to use. See you in the next one.